solve, lessons to learn, but most of all, experiences to grow and enjoy.
जीवन का आरंभ जन्म से पूर्व ही हो जाता है और उसी आरंभ से अंत तक का सफर बहुत ही उल्लास भरा और रंगीन है।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the annual function 2024. Today, we gather not just to celebrate achievements, talents, and performances, but also to embark on a journey that reflects the theme of our event, Jeevan Chakra.
देवियों और सज्जनों, हमारे माननीय मुख्य अतिथि उपस्थित हो चुके हैं और उनका पारंपरिक तरीके से स्वागत किया जा रहा है, जिसमें भगवान का आशीर्वाद स्वरूप तिलक लगाया जा रहा है। Would like to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you for joining us today. Your presence truly elevates this occasion, and we are deeply grateful for your support and participation. A special welcome to our distinguished guests. It is a privilege to have you here with us, and we look forward to hearing from you as we proceed with today's celebration.
As we reflect the year gone by, this annual function gives us the opportunity to recognize outstanding contribution and milestones, while also setting our sights on the new goals for the year ahead.
Before we continue with this celebration, I would like to say a few lines. काल को जीत कर जीवन के रंग, जीवन को जीत कर जीवन के संग. These lines refer to by conquering time, one finds companionship of life.
Today, we are going to take you on a journey, the journey of life, Jeevan Chakra. And this journey begins from birth.
Then childhood.
Next stage is adolescence.
And next two destinations are adulthood.
Then old age.
And the final destination is death.
And today, we are going to showcase these stages of life.
Fasten your seatbelts as we are going to take you on a different stages of life. Jeevan Chakra.
Such a great personality between us.
संघ परिवार की ओर से हम प्रांगण में उपस्थित सभी गणमान्य अतिथियों का हृदय से स्वागत करते हैं।
I now request our Sir Chairman, Mr. Kailash Narayan Ji Gupta, Sir C.A. Dinesh Ji Sethi, Sir Director Mr. Mayank Ji Gupta, School Management Committee, and soon School Principal Mrs. Sonia Sethi to present bouquet to Honorable Chief Guest Dr. D.N. Mishra and other distinguished guests. To make this evening a blessed one and seeking the choicest blessings of Goddess Saraswati, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest Dr. D.N. Mishra, our Honorable Management Committee and Ma'am Principal to proceed towards the ceremony of lighting the lamp and garlanding Goddess Saraswati.
या ब्रह्माच्युत शङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवै सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा।
our annual function with the theme Jeevan Chakra.
गुब्बारे आकाश की ओर उड़ते हैं जो हमारी उम्मीदों और सपनों को ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाने का संकेत देते हैं। यह प्रक्रिया यह भी दर्शाती है कि जैसे गुब्बारे बंधनों से मुक्त होकर ऊपर उड़ते हैं, वैसे ही हम भी जीवन में अपनी सीमाओं से ऊपर उड़कर नई ऊंचाइयों को छू सकते हैं।
नेतृत्व में हमने सफलता का रास्ता सजीव किया. Now, I would like to take this golden opportunity to introduce a prodigious personality of our institution. Director of Sun International School, Mr. Mayank G. Gupta. Mr. Mayank Gupta is a critical thinker, good communicator, and eminent administrator with an inspiring personality. He has the courage to make tough decisions and the compassion to listen to the need of others. His goodness has spread like fragrance of flowers, which has motivated and inspired all the faculties and other members of the staff. He is a great leader and a true guide who is taking not only the school but also his business to the high epitome. I would like to invite our honorable and dignified school director, Sir Mr. Mayank G. Gupta, on the stage to welcome our esteemed chief guests and other distinguished guests and all invitees. I request Ms. Shweta Agarwal, Vice Principal of Sun International School, to escort Sir to grace the stage.
It is with immense joy and pride that I, on behalf of school management, staff and students of Sun International School, have the pleasure to welcome you all to the grand annual day function of our school with the theme Jeevan Chakra. School annual function is a time-honored tradition that brings our school community together to celebrate achievements, showcase talents, and create lasting memories. On behalf of SIS family, I extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. D.N. Mishra, who has consented to grace our program in spite of his busy schedule. Your presence has added a special warmth to our gathering and has made this event a memorable one. Further, I would like to extend my warm greetings to our Chairman, Shri Kailash Narayan Gupta, Mrs. Sunita Gupta, the President of our Society, respected Vice Chairman Sir, C.A. Dinesh Sethi, Mrs. Pallavi Sethi, respected Principal, Mrs. Sonia Sethi, on this auspicious occasion. I welcome all the members of Management Committee of Sun International School and other distinguished guests who have graced this evening. I sincerely welcome to all the parents whose support and encouragement have been instrumental in this process. I kindly solicit your collaboration throughout this program for its grand success. Thank you.
As we are moving forward, we are going to present before you all very powerful and captivating Durga Stuti that will take your hearts by storm. Nari asya samajasya kushal vastukara asti. This translates to women is the perfect architect of the society. देवी दुर्गा न केवल एक अद्भुत युद्ध देवी है, बल्कि वे हमारी आंतरिक शक्ति, साहस और करुणा के प्रतीक भी हैं। उनका रूप, उनका क्रोध और उनका मातृत्व, ये सब हमें जीवन में संतुलन और शक्ति का संदेश देते हैं। जीवन की यात्रा में सबसे बड़ी लड़ाई हमारे भीतर की बुराइयों, डर, अहंकार, क्रोध और नकारात्मकता से होती है। माँ दुर्गा इन बुराइयों का अंत करने का प्रतीक है। यह नृत्य प्रस्तुति जीवन की उस आंतरिक यात्रा को दर्शाती है जहाँ हम अपने भीतर की कमजोरियों को पहचानते हैं, उनका सामना करते हैं और माँ दुर्गा की कृपा से उन्हें समाप्त कर अपनी आत्मा को शुद्ध करते हैं। तो आइए हम सब मिलकर इस अद्भुत यात्रा का अनुभव करते हैं और हमारे साथियों का स्वागत करते हैं। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
तेरे पाँव में है तीनों लोक, है औरत खुद ही भक्ति तू।
मोदिनी विश्वविनोदिनी नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्ध्यशिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते।
नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु कान्तिरूपेण संस्थिता। नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः।
That is joy of birth. माँ के गर्भ में आकर बंदे कर दो जीवन की लीला, धरती पर पग धरते ही प्रारंभ होगी तेरी धरती पर लीला। It is beautifully said that the more you praise and celebrate your life, the more is in life to celebrate. And here we are celebrating joy of birth, presenting before you all an astounding performance that will mesmerize your senses and make your hearts dance away. Ladies and gentlemen, a rhythmic spectacle is about to unfold as the dancers assemble to cast a spell of enchantment. Let's create a thunderous applause to welcome them.
जन्म लेते ही जीवन में परिवर्तित हो जाती है। जीवन की यह प्रारंभिक यात्रा जन्मोत्सव के रूप में न केवल माता पिता को उल्लसित करती है, बल्कि शिशु की किलकारियां वातावरण को भी खुशनुमा बना देती हैं। तो आइए इन्हीं किलकारियों का हम जन्म के उल्लास के रूप में आनंद लेते हैं।
रास्ता सवारो रे राह देखो तेरी, रिश्ता है मुझसे सच्चा तेरा, फिर भी क्यों डर जाए मन ये मेरा, नैन बिछे राह सजी, अब आजा द्वारे तू अब ना कर देरी, आजा रे।
आशियाना मेरा साथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरी गली मुझको घर मिला, आबोदाना मेरा हाथ तेरे है ना, ढूंढते तेरा खुदा मुझको रब मिला, जो मिला लो हो गया मैं काबिल, अधिकारी रे वन उपवन अभिनंदन करता छाई धका भरियारी रे शक्कर खापो झाकी झापो हुई जश्न की ये तैयारी रे मन हर जाओ धन बरसाओ धन सुखवारो दी रे
आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे आयो रे शुभ दिन आयो रे
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम बिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
हम सब पर आपको है गर्व अपार। आपने हमेशा यूं ही मार्गदर्शक बने रहिए, हमारे जीवन में यूं ही प्रेरणा भरते रहिए। To apprise you all to the functioning of the school, I request our respected Principal Ma'am Sonia Sethi to present the annual report 2023-24. Ma'am Sonia Sethi belongs to Kota, the educational hub of the country. Born and brought up in Delhi, has 20 years of experience in different branches of school working. She headed the school academics of SIS from 10th August 2021. Within a short span of time, she made a remarkable place in the heart of all the students, parents, teachers and management. Her vision, creativity and innovative ideas has given new height to the school. It is indeed an honor to inform you that she has been awarded with the Best Innovative Principal, Courageous Feminine by 11MH and Rajasthan Patrika. Not only this, she had been honored with various recognitions across the city like Best Event Manager, Active Public Speaker, Excellent Global Language Trainer from TOEFL and IELTS. She is not only a best educator but a social activist as well. She has been actively involved in the women health and wellness drives, underprivileged upliftments, higher education, and marriages of many needful feminines. Not only this, she is the wonderful sport promoter as well, due to which the school and the students are touching wonderful heights gradually in various sports. Her dedication, devotion, and determination is highlighted through her persona. It is our privilege to call her upon the stage to present Annual School Report 2023-24. I request Ma'am Alka Talwar to escort Ma'am to grace the stage.
The more that you learn, the more places you will go. And life is all about changes. It has an incredible ways to increase your engages. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, eminent chief guest, Dr. D.N. Mishra ji, Sir Chairman Shri Kailash Narayan ji Gupta, Chairperson Mrs. Sunita ji Gupta, Vice Chairman C.A. Dinesh ji Sethi, Madam Mrs. Pallavi Sethi, Director Sir Mayank ji Gupta, members of School Management Committee, other dignitaries, distinguished guests, and my dear parents. I, Mrs. Sonia Sethi, Principal Sun International School, Jhansi, feel honored and privileged to extend a warm and hearty welcome to one and all on the annual function of Sun International School. With the theme, Jeevan Chakra, the journey of life. Today's grand show is a philosophical reflection of human life journey. The various programs will break down the complexities of human life into simple stages and making a sweeping generalizing as to the manner in which an individual progresses in life. Dear well-wishers, we all know that we are mere players in the stage of life. As soon as our role is over, death will capture us, which is inevitable. Therefore, our students, through a variety of programs, wants to spread the message that life is beautiful if you enjoy each and every moment of it. If you try to be happy in all the circumstances, because all at the end is that matters. So, live, love, and love. Sun International School is also having its own journey. It took birth in 2005 and has experienced a lot of ups and downs. But the school management stood like a strong pillar and has brought Sun International School to its epitome. In this 19 years, we have continuously strived for excellence in academics, co-curricular, and has brought holistic development in our students. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly join me as I take pride in reading out the new chapter of SIS live through this Annual Report 2024. Firstly, I will start with academics and academic competitions. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. The year 2024 commenced on a wonderful note when the result of our 10th and 12th classes CBSE board examination came out. We were thrilled to share our CBSE board results for 2024, highlighting exceptional performance of our children. Our school is immensely proud to announce that this year in class 12 science stream, Master Abhinav Dwivedi bagged first position by scoring 94.2%. I request you to give a big round of applause to the achievers, my dear parents. Kumari Pragati Gupta bagged second position with 92.8, and Master Shobh Chaturvedi bagged third position with 92.2%. In class 2, class 12th commerce stream, Kumari Sanskriti Chaturvedi bagged first position with 96%. Master Rahul Verma bagged second position with 94%. And Master Udit Vardhan Gautam bagged third position with 88%. In class 10th board result, Kumari Shambhavi Singh bagged first position with 97.8%. Master Prityanshu Agarwal bagged second position with 95.8%. And Kumari Vaishnavi Khare bagged third position with 94.6%. Dear parents, our heart are elated to announce that this year Kumari Shambhavi Singh was not only the school topper, but also Jhansi district topper in class 10th. A big congratulations to proud parents of Shambhavi Singh for her academic excellence. We would like to convey our best wishes for her future endeavor. The exceptional performance is a testament to the hard work, commitment and teamwork demonstrated by our parents, teachers, students and school management. Kudos to our talented team for delivering outstanding results. Our students have once again showed their academic prowess in various Olympiads, including IMO, SOF, NSO, IEO, etc. This year, 20 students have won gold medal, 18 students have won silver medal, and 40 students have won bronze medal along with the certificates. Moreover, Samaira of class 7th has excelled second level of Olympiad and received Zonal Excellent Award with gold medal and gift voucher. SIS will continue to encourage and support our students in preparing for Olympiads with enhanced training programs and resources. Secondly, the sports glories of SIS. Sports teaches you character. It teaches you to play by the rules. It teaches you to know what it feels like to win and lose. It teaches you the true meaning of life. Sports and physical education are integral components of our educational landscape, fostering teamwork, discipline, and physical excellence. This year, our students participated in various sports and activities showcasing their skills and sportsmanship. In Rishabh Sarogi District Games, 8 students bagged gold medal along with 21 silver and 10 bronze medal. Not only this, SIS has participated in various games in CBSE cluster and have shown remarkable performances in various categories and have won many certificates. I would like to highlight that Master Yogendra Singh has won bronze medal in CBSE Zonal Boxing Games 2024 held in Banaras. Dear parents, we already know about chess stars of SIS, namely Master Pratyush and Master Dhruv. They are playing for last many years. Well, this year again, Master Pratyush won first prize in Under-9 AFCA International Open FIDA rated chess tournament in Faridabad. 6th prize in Under-9 Dhanpat Rai Sachdev Memorial Open Chess Tournament in Agra. First prize in Under-9 and 12th position in Open category first FIDE rating Rapid Chess Tournament. Project Lakshya Bharat Petroleum and Refinery, Bina. Moreover, he is declared as the best Jhansi player in Pandit Shri Ramesh Sharma All Open Chess Tournament held in Jhansi 2024. Not only this, Master Dhruv won 3rd prize under 17th GH Rai Soni Open FIDE rated chess tournament Nagpur 2024. 6th position under 7 in Shri Dhanpat Rai Sachdev Memorial International Chess Tournament Agra 2024. 4th prize under 7 in chess FIDE rating Rapid Chess Tournament Project Lakshya Bharat Petroleum and Refinery, Bina 2024. Dear parents, we are proud to announce that Master Dhruv won first prize in Under 7 in Pandit Shri Ramesh Sharma All India Open Chess Tournament held in Jhansi 2024. We are highly blessed to have such outstanding students in our school. We heartily congratulate parents for giving their endless effort and support to their children. My dear parents, as the result of the promise made to you, we have started archery classes in our school for students of classes 6 onwards. And soon we are going to start SIS Sports Academy for our students to hone their sports skills. We hope that students will be benefited by this act and go a long way to achieve success with it. To mark the significance of National Sports Day, a friendly volleyball match was organized between SIS alumni and SIS current 2024 students. The match was full of thrill and excitement where SIS 2024 bagged the winner title. Moreover, we are planning to organize one more match with ex-students in the month of December. Thirdly, health and wellness for better life results. The greatest wealth is health. My dear parents, we are proud to announce that SIS is the first school in Jhansi to start health and wellness classes for students and workshop specially for parents and students in collaboration with dietitian Sharmil Kumar, a renowned dietitian of the state. The main aim of these workshops are to make everyone understand the importance of living a healthy lifestyle and eating healthy, exercising and avoiding junk food. This will only extend the life, but also it will improve the well-being and increase our body and mind stamina. Co-curricular activities for all-round growth. By providing a conducive and encouraging environment, the students are mentored to participate in a variety of intra and inter-house activities. It enables the student to grow in confidence, knowledge, and enhance their all-round development. The Youth Festival, organized in the month of August, based on the theme Patriotism, was evidence to this, where all the 4 houses participated enthusiastically in multiple activities. Based on year-long performances, various activities like inter-house sports, competition, youth festival, house and board decoration, etc. Mass House is declared as the winner of the year 2024 this year. A big congratulations to the house master, house leaders and associates for this remarkable performance throughout the year. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that extracurricular activities play a vital role in shaping our students' interests, skills and personalities. The diverse range of club catering to various interests and talent help in providing a supportive environment where students can explore, learn and grow. Therefore, this year we have added more clubs to our lists. Besides Science Club, Reading and Literary Club, Tourism Club, Eco Club, Vocational Club, Cyber Club, now we have Mathematics Club as well to bring laurel for us by winning competition organized in Bundelkhand University. I'm sorry, my mistake. Mathematics Club also to bring out more mathematicians for the country. Already our Tourism Club has brought laurel to us by winning competition organized in Bundelkhand University Tourism Club. The topic was contemporary issues and challenges confronting tourism and hospitality sector, in which Master Karthik Pathak won first prize, Kumari Aradhya Singhal won second prize, and Master Rudra Bajpayee has won third prize in PPT presentation. In article writing also, our student namely Kumar Ashi won second prize and Kumari Aradhya Gupta won third prize. Dear parents, the list has not ended. Even in poster making and explanation, Mr. Chaitanya Shukla won first prize and Kumari Rushil Sarogi won second prize. Dear parents and well-wishers, I would like to inform you with great pride that in district level Kala Utsav competition, Master Jay Chaudhary won first prize in mimicry. Master Rohit Debnath won first prize in 2D painting. Kumari Garima Rai won second prize in folk dance. Kumari Tanvi Verma won third prize in classical dance. And Master Anand Dubey won second prize in instrument playing. Ladies and gentlemen, once again in zonal level Kala Utsav competition, Master Jay Gautam has bagged first prize in solo act. And Master Rohit Debnath has bagged first prize in 2D painting. Congratulations to all the winners for their remarkable achievements and recognitions. Educational Trips and Excursion 2023-24. It has been remarked the world is a book and those who do not travel read only one page. Travel expands your horizons and school life cannot be completed without the fun of educational tours and excursions. These trips are tailor-made to facilitate the teachers and students to know and understand the real multicultural world. And for this, SIS has organized educational tour to Gwalior for the students of class 10th, 11th and 12th. The students visited historical monuments to know more about the glory of our culture and tradition. They even visited Gwalior Mall to get hands-on experience and become independent. Moreover, class 9th visited Amar Ujala Press to understand the effort and hard work put in by the printing press to provide us the daily news, which includes worldwide knowledge to us within our comfort zone. Continuing on the same track, our school has organized MUN for the first time to impart the knowledge of several social issues. The discussions were healthy and convincing. The submissions made by the students were overhauling to change the mindsets and bring holistic development in our students. Near about 150 students participated, presenting various committees where the best speaker, best delegate and best host were awarded with the trophy and certificates. CBSE has taken initiative to bring goodness to all the school under one platform through hubs of learning, where 10 schools organize learning exchange programs with the guidance of one leader school. Dear parents, we are elated to inform you that this year SIS has organized yoga learning through students exchange program under the mentorship of hubs of learning, which was appreciated by all the other schools. CBSE Sahodaya have a motto to learn together, grow together and thrive together. To unlock the potential of collaborative learning, this year CBSE schools in Jhansi has started Virangana Jhansi Sahodaya School Complex, where Sun International School has been made the cultural coordinator for year 2024. Moreover, we have hosted two grand events under the flag, namely Inter-School Chess Competition and Inter-School Hindi Debate Competition. Adding more feathers to our cap, we would like to inform you that Samaira Singh of class 7 stood first in chess competition and Master Nipun Soni of class 7 won first prize in karate competition. And the stupendous moment was when our students stood first continuously in a row in different categories of badminton inter-school tournament, namely under 17 girls, under 17 boys, under 19 girls and under 19 boys. All the matches were won by SIS students. This was a gratifying moment for our Sanites. My heartfelt appreciation to the winners and proud parents. Keep it up in future as well. Grand Fete, a spectacular celebration of community spirit, entertainment and fun. The event which promises an unforgettable excitement for which student keeps on eagerly waiting the entire year. And the excitement continued on 8th and 9th November 2024 when SIS has organized its Grand Fete separately for junior and senior students. Near about 100 consolation lucky draw prizes were distributed along with other mega prizes. The first prize was microwave, which was won by Samradh Pratap. The second prize was a combo of 2 Skyback suitcases and the winner was Yashika Verma. The third prize was Avon bicycle and the lucky winner was Anshraj Patel. Once again, I would like to congratulate all the lucky winners. Dear parents, students participate in annual function, learn a lot of skills, which also help them to remove their stage fear, for which school always try to reward them. For the same, each student will be presented with grace in annual academic achievement every year. So, motivate your children to be a part of annual fest of the school every time. Your never-ending trust and support motivate us to serve better years after years. Wow. It's been a pleasure to see SIS growing over the years, and with all such commitment and support, we will bring more laurel for the school and take it to the epitome of success. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for giving me such a patient hearing, and I hope you will enjoy today's variety of programs which are created by the sincere effort and dedication of our teachers and children of Sun International School. Thank you.